Let's be real, folks. Lipstick, it's a power move, a confidence booster, and a staple in many a makeup bag. But this little tube of pigment has a history far richer than you might think. Lipstick, it's more than just makeup, it's history, power, and self-expression. From ancient civilizations using crushed gemstones to today's high-tech formulas, lipstick has come a long way. Today on Glowenvy, we're taking a deep dive into the incredible evolution of lipstick. Let's explore. We're talking way back, to the dawn of humanity. Early humans, our ancestors, weren't just hunting mammoths and inventing the wheel. They were also busy crushing berries and minerals, creating pigments to adorn their bodies. These early forms of makeup weren't just about vanity. They held cultural and ritualistic significance, signifying tribal affiliation, social status, or even warding off evil spirits. Fast forward a few millennia to ancient Egypt, and we encounter a civilization obsessed with beauty and cosmetics. The Egyptians, those masters of eyeliner and perfume, were also big fans of lip color. Cleopatra, the ultimate icon of Egyptian glamour, was said to have used a mixture of crushed carmine beetles. Talk about dedication to beauty, and beeswax to achieve her signature red lips. This concoction, while maybe not FDA approved by today's standards, signified power and allure. In ancient China, lip color also played a significant role, with lip shapes being carefully sculpted and enhanced using dyes derived from plants and flowers. It was clear a beautifully adorned pout was a global aspiration. The Middle Ages saw a bit of a downturn in lipstick's popularity in Europe. The church, those fun-loving folks, deemed cosmetics frivolous and even sinful. But like a tube of long-lasting lipstick, the desire for a pop of color never truly faded. In Elizabethan England, Queen Elizabeth I, a woman after my own heart, brought lipstick back into vogue. Her signature look, a stark contrast of ghostly white skin and vibrant red lips, became a symbol of power and authority. But this love for lipstick wasn't universal. Across the English Channel, the French aristocracy went through phases of embracing and shunning makeup, with lipstick often caught in the crossfire of changing fashions. Then came the British government, always keen to get involved in personal grooming choices, and slapped a tax on lipstick. Queen Victoria, a woman of notoriously strict morals, declared makeup improper. But you know who kept rocking lipstick? Actresses, and those ladies of the night. They knew a thing or two about looking fabulous, societal norms be damned. These rebels kept the flame of lipstick love alive, ensuring it would rise again. The turn of the 20th century saw lipstick emerge as a symbol of female empowerment. The suffragettes, those badass women fighting for the right to vote, adopted bright red lipstick as a badge of rebellion and solidarity. They marched, they protested, and they did it all while rocking a bold lip. Meanwhile, over in Hollywood, the burgeoning film industry was busy creating its own beauty icons. Silent film stars like Clara Bow and Theda Bara, with their heavily cold eyes and dramatic dark lips, made a statement that could be seen and felt even without the sound. The Roaring Twenties saw the rise of the flapper, a new breed of woman who embraced short skirts, bobbed hair, and of course lipstick. Brands like Trendy became household names, and the invention of the push-up tube, a stroke of genius for which we should all be eternally grateful, made lipstick application a breeze.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to
Beauty industry, with brands offering a wider range of shades to cater to diverse skin tones. Who knew lipstick had such a rich history? Which era's beauty trends would you rock? Let me know in the comments. And if you love beauty deep dives and timeless trends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Glowenvy Glam. See you in the next one.